In the given figure, TA and TB are tangents to the circle with center O. If angle ATB is equal to 80 degrees, then find the measure of angle ABT. Given in triangle ATB, angle ATB is equal to 80 degrees. TA is equal to TB since length of the tangents drawn from the external point are equal. Angle TAB is equal to angle TBA since angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Let angle TAB is equal to angle TBA is equal to x degrees. In triangle ATB, using angle sum property, angle ATB plus angle TAB plus angle ABT is equal to 180 degrees, which implies 80 degrees plus angle x degrees plus angle x degrees is equal to 180 degrees, which implies 2 angle x degrees is equal to 180 degrees minus 80 degrees, which implies 2 angle x degrees is equal to 100 degrees. Transposing 2 to the other side, we get x degrees is equal to 100 degrees by 2 degrees, which is equal to 50 degrees. Therefore, angle ABT is equal to 50 degrees.